All right, Caleb is making a nice 2025 Corvette. Yeesh! I'm more impressed with the power plant. Caleb's getting the, we drilled all the holes in the bottom and the bumper cover, and now Caleb's threading everything in. This comes with double-sided sticky tape. I guess it's part of some of their install. We just don't trust double-sided nothing.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it flying off in traffic.
I mean, we don't know how much he spent on this.
Back in the day when body kits were like coming out, that's how like we sold body kits with like double-sided sticky tape.
Yeah. Not worth it. I mean, I don't know how much he spent on this wing, but considering it's a new car, I'm gonna say he paid a pretty penny for it.
Yeah.
And it's not worth coming back on our workmanship for just trying to stick it down.
Yeah.
I mean, it sucks if this wing would ever come off. He's gonna need
Just
a new
think,
bumper,
this is a
but
Fiero on steroids.
I wouldn't. you're just disrespecting this car.
No, I'm just saying. A Fiero was the GM rear engine vehicle.
Well, the initial concept for a Corvette, it was always supposed to be mid-engine.
Yeah.
The initial concept. So this is technically the most Corvette.
Supercar. Yeah.
Well, because the initial concept, they wanted to make it mid-engine, engine in the rear. This is the first generation to do that, so this is closest to the original concept.
Plenty of room for turbochargers too.
People have already twin turboed
Boom.
these.
Boom.
People have already twin turboed these, and there's enough room to get a super twin scroll
Oh yeah.
supercharger.
Gucci baby. These aren't GM parts, these are just aftermarket parts?
Yeah, this is all aftermarket stuff. But it all fits incredibly well.
Yeah, it fits really well.
Can't imagine what GM would want to have all this stuff installed in the factory.
I would tell you
The wing probably isn't a whole lot. The wing's probably about what he spent on the wing,
probably.
but the mud flaps gotta be just as much.
Yeah, I would say. Thanks for watching.